Most people who are out there looking for their first deal have likely already done it. I go to a lot of real estate meetups, and here's one thing that's a constant is I see a lot of people out there hustling, trying to find their first real estate deal, but they likely already have it. So if you are a homeowner and you've had a home for the last 2 to 5 years, you're going to want to pay attention. Even if you already have some cash left over after you've paid your monthly expenses, this is definitely for you. Now, your house may already be your first investment, and I want to dive into what I mean by that. In the current 30-year mortgage, your equity is going to build quietly over time. And most homeowners, what happens is they actually don't know how to use that equity as it starts to build. And when you look at traditional options, they can feel limiting. So sometimes people say make extra payments to build your equity quickly. Other times people say, why don't you refinance your home? Well, that starts the 30-year clock all over again, and you still don't have flexibility. And then others say, I see this all the time at real estate meetups. Just take out a HELOC, just take out a HELOC, but there's no strategy. So the thing too with extra payments is they're okay, but they don't really put a dent in your mortgage in the way you think they might. And the worst part of this, if you're someone out there who is hearing someone say, use a HELOC for your first deal, your equity stays trapped in your home. So here's what I want to communicate today. Your mortgage actually doesn't have to be a bill. You can use it as a financial tool. And this is where the mortgage-free life strategy comes into play and where it's drastically different. And I want to break down today what mortgage-free life is at a high level. Now, what we do is we leverage the power of a two-way lending tool strategy. Think credit card. So whatever money goes in can easily come right back out. And what we do is we have your debt and your income working together. And what we do is we're going to focus primarily on the interest dollars that you're paying, not just the rate. There's a lot of emotional conversations about interest rates, and that's not what we focus on. We break it down to show you the actual math of how much in dollars you're paying and faster access to equity. Now, paying the home off sooner than using your current income is also just an added bonus. So who's this for? Homeowners with some equity who are financially disciplined. And I talked to a lot of business owners and investors, and they're also really great candidates for this program as well. And, there are people that there's a mindset shift that has to happen about, oh, I don't want to lose a low rate, because in a lot of cases, if you have a 3 or 4%, you can move into the mortgage-free program and be light years ahead, save hundreds of thousands on interest and pay down faster and access your equity quickly. So let me keep this simple. So in our program, the interest dollars you pay are based on the average daily balance. So again, think credit card, you only pay for the debt you have, not the total value of your home. And where your money sits matters. So work smarter, not harder. We use a concept called paycheck parking, which takes the same amount of money you're already making, the same amount you're already spending, and helps you reduce that interest without doing any extra things. So you're not adding extra payments, you're just changing how the money flows through your household. And if you're a business owner, you're already pretty savvy in this respect as you think of operational accounts and cash flow. So why is this better than a cash out refi? Now, I always say that mortgage-free life is the last refinance you'll ever have to do because it keeps your equity, your money accessible. All that savings that racks up over time, it's easily accessible to you. And like I said, you really only pay interest on what you're actually using, and it gives you equity without losing control. So if an opportunity comes along and you need that equity, all you do is you literally write a check. Now, here's some real big wins that I always like to point out. So you're in control of the interest, and interest dollars are real. So that's what we really want to focus on. And when we attack the interest, we use math. So we run your numbers, we get real numbers, and we say, yes, this works for you using our calculations, and no, it doesn't. Now, we never want to force any type of situation. We really just want to focus on the math. The other thing here is there's speed and flexibility. So opportunity often requires timing. And liquidity is just a better option in general. Not, I talk to a lot of real estate investors and they say, I had an opportunity come along, but oh gosh, I need to wait 30 to 60 days for capital. And there's also this concept of just smarter debt cleanup. So there are situations where someone has some high interest debt and we can actually do an equity restructure, pay all that bad debt off, as a real estate investor, you want a lower debt to income ratio. So you love that. And it also inadvertently boosts your credit score. Now, the bonus in this is that when we get you into this structure, we basically eliminate your mortgage payment. So we're able to take that mortgage payment and also put it into an asset that's going to build you a six-figure tax advantage retirement income. So not only are you building equity, attacking your debt, you're also building wealth for the future. Now, questions I get all the time is this a HELOC? No, this is a strategy that teaches you and empowers you how to use the power of a line of credit with cash value life insurance to completely, the line of credit pays down your debt, gives you liquidity. The cash value life insurance helps you build wealth. Now, why not a refinance? And the question around that refinance is always, is it worth it? Because you're starting that 30-year clock over and over and over again. About 60% of the interest that's paid on a mortgage is paid within the first 10 to 15 years. And as the date of me recording this here, we're sitting at about anywhere between a 6, maybe even a high 5 to a 7% interest rate. So what you're going to see in that situation is that as you make payments, the majority of your payment is going to go towards interest for the first 18 years of your actual loan. So a little bit about me. I'm a data analyst turned financial strategist. I have a financial license, and I have a lot of joy for this program because I love taking what someone's already making and what they're already spending and showing them how to use it more efficiently. So the first step really is the math. We break it down as an analyst, we take it to the math, and we just need a few key points from you. Think value of your home, how much debt you have, your current interest rate, as well as your income and expenses. That gives us a really good picture to figure out whether or not the math makes sense for you. So what we do is we take that information and we put together a financial freedom scorecard. And what that does is it tells you how quickly you can pay off. But in this case, for the purpose of this conversation, think of how much equity can I build up, how fast? And we show you how much in interest dollars we're going to save you. The average person saves about $100,000 of interest. And then we show you how much we could actually help you build in retirement income. And this is on top of what you already have going, right? You have a 401k, maybe you have a pension. I see you at real estate events because maybe you're trying to buy, cash flowing properties. So this is just an added bonus to the program. And so if you're interested in getting that payoff report, just click the link below in the description to get your financial freedom scorecard and get started on your journey towards more flexibility, savings, and more control over your finances. You don't have to have that mortgage payment anymore. You can turn it into an asset for you and your family to build wealth and just have more flexibility in your life.